Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am coming to you with a SHEIN home decor holiday shopping haul. So if you're interested in seeing what I have today, just keep on watching. So yes, guys, I have some things from SHEIN. They are the sponsors of today's video, and some things that I wanted for my home for the holidays. So thank you so much, SHEIN, for another opportunity to collab with you. I am a SHEIN partner, and I love bringing these beautiful items to my blessed family. So I'm going to start off with something I shared in another haul. Have my scissors sitting here. I hope you all are having a blessed, beautiful day. I hope today finds you well. I am preparing my home for the upcoming holidays. I have trees laid out in my floor, in my living room. And after I view this video, we will be placing these trees in place. And the fun will begin here at the Davis household. But first, I want to bring to you, like I said, in my last haul, I shared with you these luxury sheets for my bed. And in the last haul I shared, they were black. And I looked at those, I said, these are so beautiful. These are so beautiful. They're so beautiful that I wanted another set, all right, in the off-white. How beautiful are these bed sheets? This is a king size. They have king size, queen, full, and twin. But this is a striped set. You have your fitted, your flat, and your two pillowcases. This is so luxe, so soft, so beautiful. I cannot wait to use this on my bed. Let me put these back in the box. Ready for use. Now the next items. This is luxe as well. So pretty. And I have two of them. And I think the majority of and I'm laughing at myself, the majority of this haul is pretty much pillow covers. I absolutely love pillow covers, and you just cannot beat the price with SHEIN, okay? Look at this pillow cover. It has my fur, and it has my sequins. Do you see that? Oh my goodness, look at that sequence in the middle, and look at that fur. This is a 12 by 20 pillow cover. So beautiful. And again, it's luxe. It screams luxe. And this could be beautiful on a bed. This could be beautiful in a pair, flanking a pair of chairs, accent chairs. This would also look cute or pretty on a sofa. If you had 4 chairs, if you ordered 4 of these in a dining room setting, so versatile, right? But this is pretty, and again, I cannot wait to use these as well during my Christmas holiday stylings. And again, I do have 2 of them. I'll go on and take it out the bag. So pretty. So two. So I'm doing my holiday happy dance, right? With these beautiful pillow covers. Again, SHEIN is so affordable, and you would think when you looked at them, you spent a lot of money on them. This is another set of pillow covers. I ordered a set of pillow covers last year in this color, and I wasn't pleased with them. I wanted a deeper, rich brown, okay? And SHEIN to the rescue, all right? I have 4 of these, all right? But I'm only gonna show one. I'm not gonna open all of those up, plus the ruffling of the bags. But let me share with you how deep this brown is. This is a 20 by 20 pillow cover, and you have your choice of different sizes. That's what I love about SHEIN'S pillow covers. It's not a set 17 by 17 or 18 by 18. You do have your choice, all right? And look how rich and deep dark this chocolate or this brown is. And it's so soft, giving me the luxe feel that I want. So beautiful, so gorgeous. And I may be using this. I'm pulling things today. I was pulling some things yesterday. I may be using this, we'll see, to bring out another color that I'm using in a space in my home. So you may see these. I'm gearing towards using this, all right? And again, I do have 4. Love that. Surprisingly, this is not a pillow cover. And I'm laughing because this is something I wanted for my laundry closet. I don't have a laundry room, I have a laundry closet. And I thought this was nice, all right? And it is a, oh boy, I didn't realize it was this big. A laundry rug here. I'm gonna try to get it across here, all right? Do you see how big? I'm probably gonna cover my face, guys, all right? Do you see how big this is? And I'll have the size of it on here, but this will actually fit in my hallway. I have a hallway where my closet, my laundry closet is, and it will fit. So I'm looking forward to that. It says the laundry company, wash, dry, fold, repeat, the never-ending cycle. And that is so true. And I love it because it's in that black and white. Love it. Not holiday-ish, but it still will stand out in the space. And it's just something that will enhance my home in that area. All right. I have just a few more pieces to share with you. This is a really quick haul. This is also some pillowcases or pillow covers. I don't know why I'm calling them pillowcases. They're pillow covers. And I have 4 of these. I'll only share one. These are beautiful as well. And this was inspired by my grandson. When we were walking through Hobby Lobby, he said, Kiki. Now he's 5, okay? For those are first timers, he's 5 years old. And we're walking through Hobby Lobby. We're looking through all the home decor, the Christmas home decor. And he says, Kiki, you should do a room silver and gold. And I'm like, looking at him like, this is a 5-year-old. But you know what? I love the idea. So I ordered these pillow covers in silver gold and off-white. And I plan on doing this in my living room and my dining room combo, all right? This open space. Both rooms are open to one another, as well as my entryway. So I think this will be pretty, and I cannot wait to style this room or this space out with his idea. A 5-year-old, right? But look at this pillow cover. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, 20 by 20. The back of it is in gold. A luxe feel as well. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. It does not scream Christmas, by the way, but this is something that I can use for the holidays and any time of the year. So that's so beautiful. Again, I have 4 pillow covers, and I have 2 of them. Now, these are specifically for the holidays, and I thought these were so cute. These are in, I think, the 17 by 17 or 18 by 18. But how adorable is this pillow cover in ivory or off-white with that gold reindeer in sequins? Or is it glitter? It's sequins. How beautiful is that pillow cover? Now they have another one with the word joy on it, but I love using reindeer in my holiday stylings, so this will fit perfectly with a couple of gold reindeer that I do own. And again, yes, I had to order a pair of them. So I do have 2. Very pretty, very pretty. They're so soft with the fur. And the back of them is just a plain off-white, but they are stunning and will fit in perfect with any holiday styling. All right, 2 more items, and this will be for my dining room table. I'm apologizing for the ruffling of the bags here, but that's how they protect your items. When I saw this, I thought this was absolutely stunning. And it is a table runner in off-white. But look at the end of that. How pretty is that? With gifts, ornaments, pine cones. Just beautiful. I think this one, don't quote me, comes in 2 sizes. I opted for the longer size, and I'll have the size listed below, but I opted for the longer one to hang a little long on my table. I thought this was stunning, and they have SHEIN, they have so many different styles and colors to choose from with their table runners. Well, I'm just gonna say table linens. All right, so beautiful. And again, this is picking up the gold. Really don't see any hints of silver, but we're gonna make it work, right? We're gonna make it work. And to go along with this, I also ordered the placemats. Let me see how to get in this bag here. I ordered the placemats. I ordered 2 sets of the placemats because they come in a set of 4. And my table seats 6, all right, in that space. But the placemats match the runner. So how beautiful are these? so pretty. So I cannot wait to style my table with the runners and the placemats. Set of 4, and I have 2 sets. All right. Now the very last item, I have to go in and order another set because I think these are so pretty. And these are a set of 4. Trying to find the opening. There it is. I'm gonna either take them out the wrap here. But these are made of vinyl. They don't look like it, but they are. But they're beautiful. Look at this. How stunning are these placemats in white and gold. I love the swirl of that pattern. This is a set of 4. I take that back. This is a set of 6. A set of 6, all right? I think they're so pretty. I could even use these as well on that table or even in my kitchen nook. But I think these are so beautiful. And they give a luxe feel, but they're made of the vinyl. All right, very pretty. But guys, that's all I have from SHEIN. Again, thank you so much, SHEIN, for the opportunity to collaborate with you and to share your beautiful products with my blessed family. Blessed family, look down in my description box for the links to these beautiful items. They will be listed below, as well as a discount code for all of my loves, all of my blessed. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click the bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly thankful, grateful, and blessed that you are a part of our amazing family we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.